Welcome back YouTube. So a lot of people are concerned that the uptrend on the Nasdaq 100 is actually over and there's going to be a major drop, and you will see they are referencing this trend line and the breakdown of this trend line over here. First of all, on this daily chart there are two important things that people are not considering currently. First one is, if I change this over here and I try to draw this channel, look at how the analysis has actually changed. So this is actually a bull flag that is forming on the Nasdaq itself. Last week I talked about the bottom part of this channel will get tested, and look at where we are today, almost testing the bottom part of the channel. This is a bear flag channel that we have since September 2022. So yes, this is the time to be cautious because you are testing the bottom part of the channel. If there's a breakdown from here, retest, that might actually be detrimental for the market and it may continue downwards toward lower level 11,500, 1170. But again, there is chance of a bounce from here also because 100 moving average in purple is sitting at 12,173. So we are almost testing the 100 moving average in purple. The daily RSI is sitting at 49, and if you look over here, that has been the point from where we have seen short-term bounces in the market. Look at this one over here, another here, then another one here. So yes, there might be a short-term bounce in the market. So this is not the end of the world. There is still hope. This can actually turn out positive given that Thursday there is more economic data that will be released, and if that is positive, that can help push the market up. The real concern will start if we break 12,000. That is the point from where, yes, real concern will start, and then lower levels might get tested starting with 11,750 and then 11,500. These have been critical levels in the past few months. Also, the 50 moving average is sitting at 11,842. So this area might become important if there is a breakdown of the 12,000 level. Also, if I quickly draw up the fib levels, look at the 0.382 level sitting at 12,042. So almost at the bottom part, again telling us this range of 12,000, 12,100 is an important area, and we might see a small bounce from here back towards 12,367, which will take us to the top part of this bull flag channel. What are your thoughts about all of this? Do you think a pump is coming towards 12,350 or no, 12,000 level will be broken and market will see lower levels? Let us know in the comments. Now if I go to the weekly chart, I want to show you something. So the current price is 12,127. If I put a line over here, this was all resistance before, so it will try to act as a support. Over here it was support, and over here it was resistance. So again, 12,000, 12,100 is a very critical area, and of course we need to hold above 12,000. Also on the weekly chart, you can see that the 50 moving average was 12,500, and that is from where we saw rejection on these three weekly candles. 100 moving average is sitting at 11,545, telling us the 11,500 area is again important. Now let's also jump to the 4-hour chart. Once again, we are seeing that the red 200 moving average is 12,171, telling us this is an important area. RSI is still 41, so yes, towards the downside is possible. Maybe 12,000 area might get tested, and you can see moving averages have collected over here 11,910, 11,832. So there might be a wick into this area, and then we might try to find support. But once again, we are at a very crucial point. If we see a nice bounce from here, then yes, 12,350 is possible, at least in the short term. And if we continue this pump towards the upside, there is 12,650, 12,600 level. Once again, we cannot talk about Nasdaq 100 in isolation, so let's quickly jump over to the VIX chart, and we are seeing a sharp rise in VIX, hence the correction in the Nasdaq 100. However, we can see this action that developed over here. This is 23 till 25.7, and also you can see the moving averages have collected over here. Daily RSI 61. So yes, maybe one more wick is possible, which will take us to 12,000 on the Nasdaq, and there might be a short-term correction at least till this area. Even over here, you can see this was important. So if there is a retest of 20 to 21 points, then yes, we might see a short-term relief rally taking us to 12,350 that we just talked about. Once again, as you know, trading is a very risky business, so we have to keep risk management in our mind all the time. So for that, 12,000 is the level. 12,000 if broken, then yes, we need to be careful that price might go to lower levels. If you are trying to take a long from here and you are trying to target 12,350 roughly over here, look at where your stop loss should be. In order to have a risk to reward ratio of 2, that would mean that your stop loss is around 12,030. So now you can clearly see that if you want to take a trade right now, this is what the levels would look like. like in terms of the stop loss and the take profit. So please manage your risk accordingly. Also, if you like this analysis, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, hit the bell notification so you are notified whenever we upload a new video. And like I mentioned before, if you're actively trading, please consider using proper risk management. Thank you for watching.